wondered about the myriad of ways you can turn your creativity into cash with Canva? Today, I'm diving deep into 14 proven methods that not only showcase Canva's versatility, but also might introduce you to some of its hidden gems. Ready to get inspired? Let's dive in. Our first method to earn money from Canva is to generate quote videos. Quote videos are popular on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Use Canva to create videos that highlight inspirational or humorous quotes. Monetize these videos through social media ad programs or by directing viewers to a monetized blog or website. Second method to earn money from Canva is to design custom candles. Custom candle labels can be designed in Canva for use in a candle-making business or as a product line extension. These custom labels can add a personal touch to candles sold online or at local markets. The third way to get money with Canva is to generate quiz videos. Creating quiz videos with Canva is a fun and interactive way to engage an audience. By using Canva's video templates, you can craft quizzes on any topic. These videos can be monetized through affiliate marketing by linking to products or services related to the quiz topic in the video description. This method works well on platforms like TikTok, where engaging content can quickly gain a large following. The fourth way to get money from Canva is by selling printable wall artwork on Etsy. Digital art and printable posters are popular items on Etsy. Use Canva to design artwork that customers can download and print. This low-cost entry into e-commerce can yield high profits, as you only need to create the design once to sell it multiple times. The fifth way to get money by Canva after creating and selling brand identity kits. Brand identity kits include logos, color schemes, and typography that represent a business's brand. Canva's design tools and templates make it easy to create these kits. Selling brand identity packages to startups or established businesses can be lucrative. The sixth method for generating income by Canva is to open a clothes store. Canva's extensive library of graphics and templates can be used to design unique apparel. These designs can be printed on demand through services like Printify or Teespring, allowing you to sell them online without holding inventory. This method is great for creating niche or custom merchandise. The seventh method for generating income by Canva is to create pitch deck presentations. Startups and businesses often need pitch decks to secure funding. With Canva, you can design professional presentations using templates and graphics. Freelancers can offer custom pitch deck creation services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Then comes our next method for generating income by Canva is to design and sell mugs. Similar to clothing, custom mug designs can be created in Canva and sold through print-on-demand services. Mugs are popular gifts and can be customized for niches or occasions, making them a steady source of income. Then comes our ninth method for generating income by Canva is to make list pins for Pinterest. List pins are eye-catching and informative, making them highly shareable on Pinterest. Use Canva to design list pins that highlight top 10 lists or how-to guides, linking back to a website or blog with affiliate products or ad revenue. This approach can drive significant traffic and affiliate sales. Our 10th method is to make this or that videos on Canva. Interactive this or that videos engage viewers by prompting them to choose between options. These videos, which can be easily made in Canva, are perfect for social media and can be monetized through ad revenue. Next method is to create self-care printables on Canva. Self-care guides, planners, and journals are in demand. Design these printables in Canva to sell on Etsy or your own website. They offer value by helping individuals organize their lives or improve their mental health. Then comes our 12th way of earning money from Canva by creating custom products. Beyond apparel and mugs, custom products can include phone cases, notebooks, and more. Canva's design capabilities allow you to create unique products tailored to specific audiences, which can then be sold on Etsy, your e-commerce store, or through print-on-demand platforms. Second last method to make money from Canva is to create and sell patterns. Patterns are versatile and can be used on a variety of products, from phone cases to fabric. Canva's design tools enable you to create unique patterns that can be sold to manufacturers or on platforms like Spoonflower, where designers earn a commission on sales. Here we come our last method to get money from Canva by designing classroom lessons and materials. Teachers and educators seek out engaging lesson plans and materials. Canva's templates make it easy to create educational content that can be sold on Teachers Pay Teachers or other educational platforms. And there you have it, 14 dynamic ways to monetize your Canva skills. For more insights and tips on making the most of Canva, don't forget to check out my next video. Until then, keep creating and innovating.